Okay. Good evening once more. Tonight, the purpose of this class is to understand how to use our course portal as a pro. So, also you are going to be using it for a long time, and all the course materials, they are in the course portal. I am not going to be sending you any course material to your email or to your WhatsApp account, or you go to everything you want, every information, everything is in the course portal. That's why you have to understand how to use it. So let's crack on. I will go to this Google browser, and you see this is our course portal. And like, if you have not signed up, you come here, you sign up. That is the first thing you need to do. Provide your email, your name, your first name, your second name, your email, and password, and you sign up. But if you have signed up already, there is no need for doing that. You proceed to login page. This is the login page. You can do it from here as well. Click here. So that is the first thing. For you, you need to sign in before you can enroll. You can't enroll without signing in. Okay, if you come here, you see this is the course we are working on here. This is the boot camp we are in here. This is the boot camp. As you can see here, I've opened it for some of us that have not, for everybody to be able to enroll. This is open. After enrollment, I'll lock it up, and you will not see it's not going to be free again because you pay. So if you click on here, you cannot still go in. You say you can enroll, but before you can enroll, you still need to log in. So if I click on enroll here, you see you take me to login or create account. If you click here, you see it brought me back here. So I have to log in. If you have created account, use your email and password and log in. If you have not, go sign up. Oh, for me, I've got an account, and let me log in as a student. I'll use this demo student account to log in. I'll put my email address, and I'll put my password. And I'll log in. And so you can see here, at times you will see this valid, but you don't ignore it because you see I've already logged in. So I will log in and go to my courses. So you see here, my courses here. If you click here, you see list of my courses. Or you can come from here, you see, you go to courses, you see the list of courses you enrolled. This is all the courses I enrolled, and you can see the data science or data analysis is not here. So because I have not enrolled, you see I've logged in, but it's not here. I've signed up, it's not here because I didn't enroll. It's one of the courses I added in my wish list. So if I go to my wish list, you see it is in my wish list, but I didn't enroll. It's just a wish list. So I can enroll from this because it's on my wish list. But if I did not have it on my wish list, let me remove it from this wish list. I'll click on this wish list and it's going to disappear from here. If I refresh my browser, you see it's gone. I don't have it on my wish list again. So I'm already logged in. Let me go to the front end and look for this course. You can look for this course from here. You can come to courses here. You can come to, you see all courses. You can get it from all courses here. You can go from this as well. So if you see here, you see all the subcategories. And so I can all go from here. If I click on here, I'm already here. I can go down here. This is it here. I can click here and join from here. Or I can come from the, I go to all courses. And once I click, all the courses will appear here. And we'll start searching for it. This is it here as well. That is, and I'll click on this. And now come down. I can now enroll. Click on here and you'll be enrolled. And I'll click. And you see successfully enrolled. I've successfully enrolled. And now I have enrolled. You see, if I log in again, it's not going to tell me to enroll. It will just tell me start now. I can start, enjoying these courses by enjoying the course materials, the video, the uploaded, all the materials. I'll click from here. So anytime you log in, you see you tell you start now, and I'll get it. So now that I've clicked on that, you see course content. You bring me to this environment where I will access all the course content. This is it from here. This is all the course curriculum from here, all the content. So from here, you can see it. So if I want to access this, like you see, I've clicked on this. This is it here. This is the what we did on Friday. Data analysis kickoff meeting. If I click here, I can start watching it. And that's it. So you can see it. We've done that. So you can, this from the course portal, you can watch it. So this is the only thing we've done. And if you go to other modules like module 1, data foundation, if you click on it, nothing is there. If you click on it, because we've not done anything, it's only this introduction, module 0, that will have content. And in this module 0, if you come here, you will see, just scroll down, you will see attached files. So all the course notes, lesson notes is attached here. So the note we use for that class, the video is here and the note is here. So you have the course materials, everything is entered for you. You see it here, that is it. You click here, you download this lesson notes. If you click here, you can watch this video, and that's it. So that is it. And here is live class. From here, this is our live class. If I'm using Zoom, we are using Zoom before. So if I go back to Zoom, All I need to do is I come here and schedule a class, and I'll put the Zoom ID here. And once that is done, when there is a live class, you don't need to wait for me to send login detail like I'm doing now. Why I'm sending it is because we are using Google Meet, and we've not yet integrated Google Meet with our platform. We only have GC and Zoom. So once you come in here, if we are using Zoom, once you click, you don't need to start putting in the login ID. All you just need is you come over here, you join the class. Directly it will take you to the class and you watch it, and that's it. So from the course portal, there's a lot we can achieve from the course portal. Equally, if you come here, if there is assignment given, if you click on assignment, you will see the assignment. You will see everything about the assignment. You will see the material for the assignment. And from here, you can submit your assignment when you finish the assignment from here. And it's very, very simple. So, and if you got any question, we have a forum here. You can come here and ask your questions from here, and that is it. Once you ask a question here, I can come here and answer your question. Anybody who have good knowledge of that can equally respond. It's just like a WhatsApp forum within this platform. So the platform is compact that we can do anything we want to do here. Why I'm not using this forum is that because so many of you will not have time to come here to interact. If I paste something here, nobody is going to look at it. So, and we have notice board here as well. So why we're using WhatsApp is because it's faster communication. Everybody is always on WhatsApp. But everything we'll do for this course should be here so that people will have track of every activity here. This is notice board. All this video or lesson classes we are posting on WhatsApp, this is where we'll be posting. We should be posting it here. All the meetings, everything should be here. But like I said, WhatsApp is faster communication, and that's why we use WhatsApp a lot. And at the end of the day, this is your certificate. You've not done anything. So as we are watching everything, doing everything, your certificate will be reading. So like when you finish watching this video, you see it here. And after every this thing, this thing will be reading. As a matter of fact, we've changed this because we want to see participation, so that it's only the teacher will decide to award you a certificate. So if you did not perform well, I can decide to withhold your certificate. But as you are progressing, you find out your certificate here will be, generating. What we do is that once you finish watching, you click. At the end of the day, you can just come here and download your certificate. And because of that, a lot of people will just come download the certificate without doing anything. So now we have given power to the teachers, instructors, to the award certificate to whoever merits the certificate. Although what we are doing here is not about certificate, it's about helping you get your professional IT job, not about certificate. But this is where our certificates, once it's awarded, we are not sending it to your house. You have your account, you come here, once it's 100%, you find out that it's downloadable. You download it and keep it. If you want to print it, it's up to you. If you want to, anyhow you want to use it. So that's it. That's how this is structured. It's very easy to use. And we equally be giving quizzes. So when we give quiz, the quiz will appear here. So when there is a quiz given, you'll see the quiz here. Just like all these courses, everything here, you see them here. If there is a quiz given, you will see. Like for instance, in this introduction to data science, if we are given a quiz to understand, try to understand your knowledge of on data science, you will see the quiz underneath here. And then you pick your quiz and we receive your score. And that's will equally be part of the way we try to generate or grade you. And so that is it. It's very simple. But if it's not explained to you, I've seen a lot of people struggle a lot trying to understand what we're doing here. But it's not difficult if it's well explained. And that's why we're taking time to make sure that we explain it very well so that some of us that are joining for the first time will not have to struggle at all. So that's it. And I don't think we have any other, probably if you have questions, we don't have any other things for now. As now it's being explained very well. Click on here, it will take you back to your courses. So see other various courses. So whichever one you want to do. So, and after this course, based on the experience, you see here, you come here, you can rate us from here, you know, and if after rating us, you should be able to so once we finish, it's only when we have gone to some extent we can give a review. So you see it's still 0. So but every of our courses here is reviewable and you give us a rating when you finish. So, and that's it. And coming down here, this is it for the instructors. If we have any instructor you really want to follow, you can come here. And this is the instructors here. You can follow a particular instructor, like here. You can follow or unfollow. You see here, it's no longer following. So if you want to follow me to be getting information about everything, you can just come here and you follow me. So you're now following your instructor. And you come here, this is messaging. You can send message to here, you type new message. And you send a message here. You can decide whom you want to send a message to. So these are all these people here. You can send a message. And all the people here, Yeah. So, and you write your message, you send message, and they receive your message. And here is course bundle. Course bundle is that at times we want to give a promo, we might bring two courses together. If you want to, like two related courses like this, we're offering business analysis and we're offering project management. One of them, let's say one of them are kind of 100,000, and we can decide to sell two of them for 150,000 and as a bundle. So you can choose two of them. So this is it. And this is a tuition book. If you want a one-on-one, like what we are doing here, you see that you guys are in a group class. Here, you guys are in a group class. If I decide to offer this data analysis class on one-on-one coaching or one-on-one mentorship, I can come here and list it here so that somebody can come here and book for it. If you come in, you can book for one-on-one session, and I will have you on one-on-one session, but it's going to be costlier than being in a group class because I'll be giving you dedicated time and effort. So that is it. And if you want to see our purchase history, you click here, you see our purchase history. And if you come here, this is your profile. If you want to edit your profile, that is it. From here, you upload your picture from here. This picture, you come here, this is the demo account, so it's not my. So if you come here, from your profile, you see it, you upload it. That is demo account. And if you want to update your name, this is it. This is where you can actually update your profile. So if you want to write short something on your name, like writing, if you are a chartered stockbroker, chartered accountant, a medical doctor, or whatever you want to show your accolades, this is where you can write a short biography about you. And if you want to link this is your account, add your Twitter link or add your like Facebook account or this, you can add it from here. And after adding, you send, so that somebody can from here follow you to your Facebook or your Twitter page or your LinkedIn page. And that's it. You see here, you can update your profile. That's your profile. Your profile is different from your account. Your account then is here where you can change your email, update your email. This is user stories. This is password. So if you want to change your password, maybe feel that your password has been compromised, this is current password. You put your current password, you put your new password and confirm your new password, you change it, you find out that your password is changed. So you can create a new password. And that is it about your account. And if there is any course you are trying to follow up or monitor, or you can come with this heart here. If you go to every course, we have all of them will got hearts here, and they will appear on your wish list. And that's everything here. I'll help you to manage your account very well. And I don't think I'm missing everything. So that's it. We're back to our course. And yeah. So if you have any question, then you can bring your question in at this point. Any question from anybody? Any question? So, but if you are comfortable with the explanation, that's good. Ernest Joseph.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Thank you so much for the lecture. I really appreciate it. My question is, how long are we going to have access to this course portal?
Yeah, is as long as the duration of your course, but because we're offering this data analysis for the first time, so I've made it a lifetime access. As long as we exist, you have access. It's only if we go out of business. As long as you come here, you see, it's data analysis bootcamp. You see here is lifetime access. So this is a bonus. So if you come here, you see that this particular one expires on August. So people with this, they cannot have access to this again because it has expired. It's a 4 months access they have. And after 4 months, it will expire. You have to pay again to join, you know, to continue to have access. But you see here is lifetime access. So, is that have I answered your question?
Yes. Thank you, sir.
All right. So any more question from anybody? Good. So now everybody is very comfortable. So that's very good. So if you have not, like, I know some of you have, okay, Nkechinyere.
Okay, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Thank you for your explanation. I couldn't join from the beginning because I was struggling with my network. So, sir, what I want to understand is, are we going to be, whenever we have a class, like you said, we'll come to the platform to navigate through. Are we going to be joining the class through this platform?
I said
Or
if we are using Zoom, it's because he said you didn't come on time, because if you had come on time, you would have listened very well how that conversation come. I said we have the system is configured in such a way that you can just, we don't even need to use a WhatsApp group. It's because we are lazy. So many of us are lazy. We can find it down, they keep on having a class. So when information is passed, some people will not even come here to access the course. But once anything drop on WhatsApp, everybody will know. This is based on, because I've been teaching this for the past 4 years now. So it's based on my experience. So that's why we're using WhatsApp to send a lot of information. And again, we stop using Zoom. We're now using Google Meet. And we don't have functionality for you to just click and join from. If we go back to Zoom, if we decide not to be sharing our detail, we can do that as well. So that is it. And another thing with that is that because in part of this our course, we have academy. Academy are for people in primary school and secondary school. Our platform is structured in such a way that we have business school and then we have academy. So those in academy, they are teachers. I'm not the one going to teach. They are teachers who might be using Zoom for their classes. some of these people, it's going to be difficult to bring them to WhatsApp and the way we are doing and sharing. So all they need is just click. They'll be accessing everything they want by just a click, not for them to come and start coming to type the password or passcode before they can access the. Once they log into their course portal, they'll click, they join their class. When they want to watch the video, they click, they watch their video, and everything will just be a click of button for everybody. But for now, we'll continue to use our WhatsApp to disseminate information. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. It's clear. Thank you so much.
Okay. So that's it. And well, for now, this we're going to be having it twice every week. So if we're going to increase the days, we'll let you know. But for now, it's going to be Mondays and Tuesdays, 8:30 to 9:30. So that is how we plan to do it. So, and once we finish, like the following day, we'll upload the course materials on the system so that you can have access to rewatch it. If there is assignment given, you can go do your assignment. And another thing is that this this program, this data analysis, we're using this food tracker company is where we are going to be doing our internship or work placement. So what does that mean? At the end of the day, you can get a reference from this company where you did every courses we are doing, we are having a placement. Food Tracker is a food delivery system, just like Uber Eats or Boot Eats, and we have been in operation for more than 2 years in Nigeria now. We had issues which we have resolved. We are getting back to operation full time. And here, I see, use okay, foreign access location. So in Food Tracker, we'll have food, we'll have grocery, we'll have pharmacy, and so this is the food section of Food Tracker, and that's it. And any food you want, you can just order and it's going to be delivered to you. And you see, we have vendors. We have vendors in Lagos, Abuja, food vendors. So you want a pot of soup, if you want a plate of soup, if you want any, based on what is here, they can deliver anything we have here for you. We have our mobile app on Play Store. Go to Play Store, both Play Store and yeah, you have our mobile applications there. So for download for drivers, for customers who have a mobile application for customers who are going to be ordering food, we have for delivery people, we have for food vendors. So these are what we have, and it can be downloaded. So if from here, if you go from here, you see them in they are there in the Play Store. So you can see here, this is Google Play Store. This is our application for, if you click on here, you see all our application. You see here, this is for customer, and this is for store food vendors. This is our vendors, and this is for our delivery men. That's it here. So we have 3 applications here and the web application where. So when you finish internship, your internship here is going to appear on your CV, and that you did your internship here. So that's how it's going to be. So during the course of this, all our analysis, we are going to be analyzing data. All the data we are going to be analyzing is going to be mainly all the data from this company. We might be analyzing their sales data to understand what is happening in their sales, maybe in Lagos or sales in Nigeria, to understand the city where we're having the sales, where we're having the product, we're having the highest sales. We can be analyzing customers or the vendors that were having the highest. So all the data we are going to be analyzing or working on or claiming is going to be from this company called Foodtraco. So with that, after this, it's going to appear on your CV that you did your work. You have work experience. You've worked in Foodtraco as a data analyst. So that is how this is structured. So Foodtraco is going to be your company for the duration of this, because everything we are doing is practical. So we don't believe in theory, we believe in practical. And we believe in not just practical, we don't believe in fictitious practical. We believe in you doing the practical in a real company, that after working and there is a space, you can equally be gotten, you can be employed if the company choose to employ you. Like in our Go Kabu projects, we've already spotted some people, some of our students who are going to talk to them to stay back after the boot camp because they perform, and we need people to work with us. So, as much as we are doing, we're equally creating jobs for our students. As much as we know that there's a lot of work they can get out there, but we're equally creating jobs. So that's it. And in our platform, Digital Technology Business School, we're equally creating jobs. There are a lot of jobs will be out there. And some of you who are very good, if you are very good, very exceptional, you can stay back and start teaching within the company as well, within our school as well. So everything is based on how serious you are. You can finish here and become a teacher, an instructor in data analysis here, and start earning a living. All right, so that is it. And if you've got any more questions, and you can answer. Yeah, Joseph, you're raising your hand.
Sure, sir. It's not a question, sir. It's a kind of suggestion. For the time now, I don't know if you can extend it 9 to 10. Though I don't know your schedule. I don't know if that can be possible, sir.
Extend
9
what?
9 p.m. The time for the lectures
Extend it to where?
from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m.
It's not possible because of other people. You know, if for me is it perfect for it's okay for me, but we know we have a lot of people and they go to work as well. So we try to do things so that as quickly as possible we finish. So Charles Okoye, you're raising your hand.
Okay, yeah, I just wanted to say that 9 to 10 is not comfortable for us. So that's what I wanted to say.
Yeah.
So sorry, since you are doing it. Okay,
yeah, based on my experience, I've seen so because if it's going beyond the middle of the night, people might not be comfortable because a lot of people most people here are working class. They've just come back from work. Even me too, I work. I do day shift. We are working. So we come back here. So many, it's not about me anyway, but so many people, based on my experience, they come back from work and they want to rest as well. So if they can just jump in, finish this, and rest at once. Yeah, Ephraim Okafor.
Good evening, sir.
Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Good
This
evening.
timing, I don't know. I'm just suggesting if it is not comfortable. Okay, this time if we should bring it down like 6:30 or 7,
You already
so that
have
we can be able to.
we already have a class going on between 7 to 8. Like
Okay,
Mr.
okay.
Okoye is part of my class. So he just jumped from that class to this class. And this has been ongoing. So although the program is winding up, so if we close up that program, we can maybe bring it down. But for now, we need to make sacrifices and readjust to this time. Nke Chinyere. Okay, Chinyere, you are raising up your hand. Okay. I think maybe she don't know she's raising her hands. So I think okay. All right, so I think we're ending it at this point here. So over time, if there's anything we can do, but for now, this is what is available, and we'll have to it's for a period of time. It's not going to last. This program highest is, well, if it's going to last up to 4 months, yeah, but I don't think it's even going to. It's a period of time and all this. So you need to make sacrifices at this point. And yeah. So you are raising your hand, you talk. If you don't, we are winding up at this point because I've called your names and you are not speaking. Like I've called Nkechinyere and she's not saying anything. So, well, thank you everyone for joining, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Charles.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Good night.